So, Assalamu student. This is Arshad Khan from Kranchins Academy. Today we are going to solve question 3 of Business Studies paper 1, which its code is 711511. This paper came on May-June 2019. Now here comes the question number 3. BVC make a range of paints. It exports 60% of its products. The managing director has been looking at BVC's cash flow forecast shown in table 2. He said, success is not just about our return on capital employed. The managing director is worried about the introduction of a new legal controls to protect the environment. This will mean BVC will have to reduce the number of chemicals and that are used to make paints. He thinks these new legal controls will be bad for business. Okay, students. Now here come to question 3. Here is an extract of cash flow forecast for the period July-September 2019, amounting $1,000. Cash flow. Now here come to question number 3A. What is mean by return on capital employed? Here we have to just define. This question carried 2 marks. Here we have to just define what is return on capital employed. Profit of a business is expressed as a percentage of capital invested is called capital employed. Here is a formula: profit divided by capital employed multiplied by 100 to get its percentage. This question comes from chapter 23, cash flow. Analysis of account, chapter 26. It's very simple question. Question 3B. Calculate the following values. X means X and Y. We have this question comes from chapter 23, cash flow. Here we come. Here we have to use this table to solve question 3B. We have in X we have to find out the opening balance. In Y we have to find out the net cash flow. Now here come to the questions. Calculate the closing balance. X means opening balance. What is it for? Its formula: closing balance minus net cash flow is equal to opening balance. Yeah. We have to calculate opening balance. Closing balance. What is closing balance? 60 minus net cash flow 40 is equal to 20, means 20,000. If we convert it into 1,000, it means opening balance should be 20,000. Why? Now comes to calculate the Y, net cash flow. Its formula is cash inflow minus cash outflow. It's a simple formula: cash inflow, net cash flow, inflow minus outflow. So what is inflow? 620. What is outflow? 580. 40. It's come to 40, means 40,000. 40,000 is net cash flow. This question comes to carry 2 marks. It's a very simple question. Now come to question 3C. Identify and explain. This question carries 4 marks. Identify, explain 2 reasons why a cash flow forecast might be important for BVC. 3C. This question comes from chapter 23, cash flow. Here we have to identify and explain cash flow forecast. Importance of cash flow forecast. Number 1 reason is help manage cash flow for better. 2, show how much cash is spent each month. How manage cash flow better means how if we have a cash flow forecast system, we can easily manage our cash flow. Explanation: one of the basic function of cash flow is to help us in managing cash and assist in day-to-day operation of business, as we have to pay and receive cash from different sources, so as it is important to manage it perfectly. If in BVC case it's become imperative to have a cash flow to run the business and overcome shortage of cash fund. Yes, if they manage their cash flow in very well manner, they can easily manage their cash. It's therefore it's very important to have a cash flow. Second reason: show how much cash is spent each month. By the usage of cash flow, we can easily identify how much cash received or how much cash is spent during the period or during the month. Explanation: cash flow statement tell us about what is the status of payment or outflow, which is very essential to monitor in carrying out day-to-day business matter. Yes, if we have a proper or quick knowledge about the what where our cash is going, or where our cash is come from, we can easily manage our day-to-day business operation. On controlling of cash outflow, we can also improve our liquidity position. Yes, if we control our cash flow, it means we can control our liquidity position, which is a key to business operation. In BBC, cash outflow is very high, so by proper monitoring and controlling, it may be reduced. Cash outflow in BBC case, cash outflow is very high. If they monitor it properly, they can easily manage it. Now here come to question 3D. Question 3D comes from chapter 29, business and the international economy. This question carried 6 marks. Identify and explain two possible problems for BBC when exporting its product. If now presently they are exporting their product, here is a question: if they what may be the problem in export business? There is a number one is knowledge of market. Number two, effect of exchange rate. These are two major factors which affect the export business. Explanation 1. To export in another country seems very attractive, but before entering in the market export, BBC must have good knowledge of the market, country culture, what types of paint they are using, other conditions. Good knowledge of the market will help BBC in boosting their sales, return on capital, and its cash flow. Yes, it's very attractive to go in the export market, but we have to properly go through or study the behavior of the market, or knowledge of the market, country culture, to enter in the export business. Number two, effects of exchange rate. Exchange rate is very important factor while deciding of export. If in BBC country their currency appreciates, so they make less profit, and so as their cash flow also affect. And same goes to exporting country. If their currency depreciate, it minimize people spending and on purchasing of imported item. Yes, if cash exchange rate is fluctuate, it's directly impact on both purchasing power of the importing country, and as well as it's also affect the profit of the exporting country. Now has come to question 3. It carries 6 marks. The managing director think that the new legal controls to protect the environment will be bad for the business. Do you agree? Justify your answer. In question, there is a managing director told there is a new legal controls to protect environment which will badly affect the business. We have to justify it. Now is the answer. Business activity aims to satisfy customer demand and provide goods and services on low price. Its often effect on environment. Now global warming and other environmental matter becomes challenging matter to all over the world. Paint industry is a chemical based industry. It's all waste, other materials and products itself are consistence of chemical which impact on environment. Nowadays, due to global warming, scarcity of water and increase of temperature, environmental control all over the world becomes a very serious challenge. Developed countries are now become very environment conscious and support the product which are environment friendly. Environment controls agencies are very active in developed and underdeveloped countries to control this challenge. As far as new legal control is concerned about using of some chemical or for their production of paints, it will affect the price of product, but as it's an environmental matter, so people will not mind it and will continue to buy it. And besides this law will applicable to other companies, so all over overall prices will remain the same. BBC exports its 60% of products which will remain the same. On the basis of above, there will no bad effect for this legal control over the business. Yes, here I explain it because people will not compromise on environment, and there is very much pressure on government or manufacturing industries to careful about the environmental or environmental matters. And this law will applicable to all, across the board to all other companies. So price if price goes up, to it's goes applicable to all other companies. So price will be no matter. And other thing is that BBC exports 60% of its product to other countries, which remain the same. So on the basis of the above analysis, I don't think so it will affect on their business. So student, here comes the end of the question 3. Now I will continue the question number 4. Soon you will also see the question number 4. Please go through it in details, and you have any questions or any suggestion or any inquiries regarding the business studies papers, please give your comments. We will surely answer your queries. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.